In our previous video, we explained how to find the first derivative of a function using first principle. In today's video, we'll be solving some of those questions with inclusion of new other ones. But this time, we have to use a simple approach. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Assuming y is equal to ax power n, and we are asked to find f prime, which is same thing as dy dx. If we are asked to find dy dx of this, what it simply means is use the power to multiply the expression and subtract 1 from the power. This is equal to, when you use the power is n, multiply ax n minus 1. This is what it meant. And this is something as na x n minus 1. Assuming that y is equal to x, and we're asked to find dy dx, what it simply means, the power of x here is 1, which is dy dx is equal to 1 multiplied by, this is x 1 minus 1. 1 multiplied by this is same thing as x 1 minus 1, which is x 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So this is our final answer. What if we're giving y to be x squared and we're asked to find dy dx? dy dx is equal to, the power of x here is 2. We write the 2 multiplied by x 2 minus 1, and this is equal to 2x. 2 minus 1 will give me 1, which is same thing as 2x. So this is our final answer. Assuming y is equal to 1 divided by x squared, and we are asked to find dy dx. In this case, we have to rewrite this expression using our knowledge of indices. And this is equal to y is equal to x power minus 2. And with this, it will be simpler for us to solve it. And we can say that our dy dx is equal to, the power of x here is minus 2, which is minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 1. And this is equal to minus 2x minus 2 minus 1 will give me minus 3. And this is equal to minus 2 1 divided by x cubed. You can still transform it to be minus 2 divided by x cubed. This is our final answer. Assuming t is equal to 2 divided by s power 5, and you're asked to find dt ds. Here, dt ds is equal to, okay, let's rewrite this. We can write it this way, that t is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 divided by s power 5, right? And we already know that this s power 5 is same thing as s power minus 5, which is 2s power minus 5. This implies that dt dx ds is equal to, the power of s here is minus 5 multiplied by 2s minus 5 minus 1. This is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 2 will give me minus 10. S minus 5 minus 1 will give me minus 6. This is the answer, although you can still simplify further, which is same thing as minus 10 multiplied by, we all know that s raised to power minus 6 is same thing as 1 divided by s power 6, and this is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 1 will give me minus 10, and s power 6. So this is our final answer. Consider this example 2. If y is equal to 1 divided by x root x, find dy dx. In this case, we can decide to rewrite this expression using our knowledge of indices. We have that y is same thing as 1 divided by x multiplied by x power half, which is the square root of x. And this is equal to 1 divided by, the power of x here is 1. So with the knowledge of indices, we can say that x is same thing as 1 plus half. And this is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus half, that will be x. The LCM of this is same thing as 1 divided by 1. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Then 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 by this, 2 by 1 will give me 2. Then 2 divided by 2 will give me 1 plus 1. So and this is equal to 1 into x. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2. Therefore, we can differentiate this expression now. Okay, we can still simplify further, which is x power minus 3 divided by 2. So we'll differentiate this now. And dy dx will be equal to, the power of x here is minus 3 divided by 2. X minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. And this is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 x. This will give me, here is divided by 1, and the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. This will be minus 3. 2 multiplied by 1 will give me minus 2. And this will be equal to minus 3 divided by 2 x. Minus 3 minus 2 will give me minus 5 divided by 2. And this is our final answer, although you can simplify further, which is minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by x raised to the power 5 divided by 2. And in this case, our dy dx will be equal to minus 3 multiplied by 1 will give me minus 3. And 2 multiplied by this expression will give me 2 power x. So this is our final answer. What if we are given this expression y is equal to x squared minus 1 divided by x, and we are asked to find dy dx. So we can rewrite this expression by saying this is x squared. We already know that this 1 divided by x is same thing as x minus 1. So in this case, it will be easier for us to find dy dx. Dy dx is same thing as we differentiate each of them singly, which is dx squared dx minus dx minus 1 dx, and this will be equal to, if I differentiate this thing, this x squared, I have the power of x here is 2, which is x 2 minus 1, minus the power of x here is minus 1, which is minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1, and this is equal to 2x, 2 minus 1 will give me 1, minus minus will give me plus, x minus 1 minus 1 will give me minus 2, and this will be equal to 2x plus x minus 2, and this is equal to 2x plus 1x squared. This is our final answer. Assuming we are given that y is equal to 3x cubed, and we are asked to find the squared y, the x squared. So in this case, we are going to differentiate this twice. So the first derivative, which is dy dx, is equal to the power of x here is 3, which is 3 multiplied by 3x, 3 minus 1, and this is equal to 3 by 3 will give me 9, and x, this is squared. So the squared y, the x squared now, will be equal to the power of x here is 2, is 2 multiplied by 9, x, 2 minus 1 is empty. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 9 will give me 18, 18x, 2 minus 1 is 1, and this will be equal to 18 x. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, feel free to email us at science11academy@gmail.com. Thank you.